My dear friends, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, God bless you for your love and your support. But if you're new here to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, remember to subscribe. And when you subscribe, YouTube automatically will turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. So please do that, and thank you so much. So friends, I come today with just a quick update of my baby who found love online, and as I'm talking right now, is happily married. So yeah, recently I shared her wedding pictures on my Instagram stories, and most of you wrote to me, "Oh my God, Bella, we are so happy for her, congratulations to her, and we want to hear her love story." So because I've got lots of stories coming in, success stories of my babies, at the same time I feel like you guys need that encouragement, that push to keep on moving. So I talked to her and I was like, "Hey girl, can you please give an advice to any lady out there who is on the dating sites and apps searching for love? Tell them that word of encouragement. Also, cause is my baby, say anything about my services. You being my baby, I don't want to put words in your mouth. You just say anything. Do like a review." So yeah, the intention was for her to type and I post on Instagram, but later said, "I'm not so good at typing, let me record some voice notes." And after hearing her voice notes, I just thought that they fit to be here on YouTube so that you can get to listen to her voice. I am going to be sharing some few photos of them and of their big day, their wedding. But the big intention is to encourage you who is still on the dating sites searching for love, because I have been guiding this lady since 2021. Now we are in 2024, but came to me at that time when was already on the dating sites for 5 good years. You can see how the struggle can be real, but you being on the dating sites for that long and you're not finding anyone, you're meeting losers, does not mean you'll never find love. The good example is of Chipo. This Zambian lady stayed that long online, but now we are telling her success love story. Found a very good guy online, a quality guy. Oh my God, the day I come here to tell her detailed love story, we will have a lot of gist. lots of Afro cinema. Yeah, you guys will laugh a lot and you will learn a lot from her love story. But today, just enjoy this short message from Chipo. And before I forget, you guys that are online, I know most of you somehow at some point you met guys that seemed serious to you, and maybe you dated those guys for such a long time. Then later you opened your eyes but still felt like you will never find a serious guy, because if you met a guy who was a player, then obviously you'll keep meeting guys that are players. Not true. Because even with Chipo, oh my God, at the time came to me, was dating this German guy. Your girl was in love, like blindly in love. Even had an Instagram account, a shared Instagram account of the couple. With this guy. But whenever could come to me to ask for my advice, I could tell her, "Chipo, no, this is not right. This guy isn't serious." So eventually Chipo opened her eyes and everything changed in her life. Because of the disappointment from that German guy that was very toxic to her, decided to take a break from dating sites. I remember telling me, "Bella, no, I think I'll never find anyone on the dating sites. I am very tired. Let me take a break." I told her, take a break, but believe that you will still find someone online. Once you are done with your break, come back and start all over. That is what Chipo did, and came back, started searching under my guidance. Eventually, we are here to celebrate. So please, I welcome you to listen to Chipo's voice notes. But I promise again, I'll come with a detailed love story of what happened, because even in her relationship with this husband, she had lots of challenges, and surprisingly, not challenges maybe from this guy, but challenges from Chipo's family. Welcome, guys.
Hey guys, my name is Chipo. I'm Chipo from Zambia. I found the one on online dating site. I never knew that I could find the one. I was on online dating site for 5 years. And in that 5 years, guys, it was not easy. I believed every guy that, that I chatted, that every guy that came my way, I believed them. In my head I was thinking, oh, he's the one. I met losers, I met scammers. I met time wasters. I wasted my tears crying for long guys. Not until I met Sister Bella. When I met Sister Bella, and started applying a guidance, started, following, taking her advice. And when I went back to the dating site again, I went there as a different person. I went there as Bella's baby. I went there as someone who knows what she wants, I went back there, I can say by that time I went there as someone who can protect her heart. So, she's the reason I have found the one. If it's not for her, I think I could have still been in the same situation I was when I said 5 years ago. At that time, anything. I didn't have experience on online dating site. I just believed anyone, and I took everything personal. I remember there was even the time that, that I had a page about this, loser, and that's the time when I met Sister Bella. And when I met Sister Bella, she told me, I started, telling her how it was, and then, she would help me until I realized to say, oh, this is a red flag. This relationship can't go anywhere. So guys, she's the reason that I have found the one. So I just want to advise ladies out there, if you're there, doubting about the membership fee, trust me guys, pay that membership fee and you won't regret doing that. She will help you, she will guide you, she will protect your heart from, getting hate from those losers, from those scammers, from those time wasters. Sometimes when I look back, I'm like, oh my God, that amount is too small, too small to compared to what she does, compared to her guidance. Because, she, with that amount, with that small amount, whenever you have a problem, you'll go back to her. You'll be typing a message even late, typing it, telling her. And trust me, when you're in a problem, you will type, I don't know if it's a very long message, and she will find those messages, and she will take her time, listen to them, respond. So guys, I just want to say, if you haven't paid, pay that fee and you will not regret it. Even to those that have maybe you have the one and things are not going right. Pay that membership fee and trust me, She will help you. She will help you so much. So I just wanted to say, Sister Bella, thank you so much for what you're doing. You are the reason that I now have my husband. So thank you so much. May God sure bless you. And may He bless the works of your hand. So my advice, to the single ladies that are still online searching, don't give up, don't lose hope. You will find that one. And the most important thing is put God first, put God first. And follow Sister Bella's guidance. Trust me, you won't regret doing that. I am here today telling you this. It's because of the guidance. So guys, her channel has helped me so much. Her channel is the reason why I'm testifying today, encouraging someone who might be there thinking they won't find the one, losing hope, thinking like, oh, maybe, because of a certain body type that I'm not finding the one. There is nothing like that. Just apply Bella's advice, and trust me guys, you will never go wrong. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to say, Sister Bella, thank you so much. May God bless you. You just don't know how you are helping us so much. May God, remember you. May He bless the works of your hand. And, may you continue to help, other people who haven't other people who haven't yet found the one. So may God sure bless you. Thank you so much.
So guys, Chipo talked about the membership. Please guys, it is not by force. You can still choose not to pay. Keep watching my videos. Follow all the tips that I share here, and I am very sure you will find the one. But for those that you have been online, you have been trying on your own, you have no one to talk to, you would like to talk to someone who has got enough experience, then yes, you can pay for the membership. You guys that are chatting with guys that seems serious to you, please get to hear from someone who has enough experience if it's true that guy is serious or he is wasting your time. Then pay the fee to get guided. And I know most of you will be like, so Bella, if I pay, that means I'll find the one. You will find the one, yes, but I can't guarantee how long it will take for you to find the one. Paying the fee means you get the right guidance. Whenever you need help, you just come to me and be guided. Under my guidance, no guy will play games on you. Under my guidance, you won't date a guy and we say, yes, it's a success story, then later it wasn't a success story. No. Because at the moment you are chatting with a guy, I'll give you questions to ask that guy, which will determine if that guy is serious or not. This takes me to another client of mine, my baby from Uganda. This lady came to me, had also a failed story with a white guy. I will also come with a detailed success love story of this Ugandan lady, the baby of mine. So her first relationship with a white guy, but did not give up. And one thing I was discussing with my girl one day is that yes, you can get heartbreaks online, but what gives you more hope is that dating sites still exist. You can still find someone else. Yeah, my girl got disappointed and had to go back to the dating sites, then found someone. Now will be traveling to go meet that someone. So back to the Ugandan lady. When this Ugandan lady came to me, I told her, ask this guy to invite you, because everything that she told me about the guy seemed really good. I was like, if that's true and this guy wanted to go to Uganda, I was like, no, instead of him coming, tell him I want to be the one to come first. And he is supposed to sponsor that trip. Oh my God. The lady was like, oh, Bella, that is really, really hard. Was kind of stubborn, but you came to be guided. You have to follow my guidance. So eventually had to listen to me, and yes, asked the guy. The guy accepted, started the paperwork, did not get off days to come to visit the lady in Uganda, but because they had started the process for her to go to Denmark to visit him, they kept on with the plans. Eventually got the visa. It wasn't easy. The visa interview was hard due to that they have never met. But God is good. Got the visa and will be traveling on 9th December to meet with her online boyfriend. Was telling me, Bella, he has introduced me to everyone, his friends at work, his relatives, everyone is waiting for me. We are going to have lots of activities. We will be really busy. So she'll be spending Christmas and New Year in Denmark with the boyfriend. Was so happy, couldn't stop thanking me. Yeah, and I am so happy for her too. So her story will be coming also, but I'm telling you all this for you to see that it works. I told you I can't bring all stories here or everything that I discuss with my clients. Then another lady is Ugandan too, was chatting with this American guy. All is good, lots of promises. I'm like, let's test this guy. If that is what he is saying, let us test this guy. She was like, Bella, if I test him the way you are telling me, he will ghost me. I told her, girl, you are his girlfriend. You are not everyone. So if this guy really cares and loves you like he claims, let's see the response. She sent the message and went to hide in the bathroom as if the guy was seeing her. But immediately the guy responded, and it was a very positive response. Yesterday was telling me, Bella, thank you. This guy has been good, and he told me if I ever need anything, I should feel free. Even if it is for me or for my daughter, he will be there for me. And this guy will be going to Uganda this December too. So we have lots of success love stories, despite of bad stories that you have been hearing. It shouldn't break your heart. Focus, girl, focus. And one day I'll come here to tell your story. I'll give an example that, I have this girl, a baby of mine, who was just my subscriber watching me, and then, found the love of her life. I love you so much, guys, and I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. Yes, really. And it is my hope you hearing these few encouraging words, you are encouraged, you will keep on searching no matter the challenge. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this short video. Be blessed. If you have liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family, everyone that you think will enjoy this video and learn something. Watch my other videos too. They are super good. You're going to learn a lot. Comment below what you think about this video, but above all, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, join the family, and thank you so much for subscribing. Let us meet in my next video. I love you so much. You are always here in my heart. Ciao. Mwah.